We are diving into a world that operates on a completely different set of fixes. Look at the sheer density of this school. It's not just a group of fish, it's a living, but superorganism moving in a perfect 4K synchronization. Notice how they never collide. Each fish is using a lateral line system, a biological sensor that detects pressure changes in the water. They are basically communicating through silent vibration to stay perfectly aligned at high speed. Check out the light reflecting off their scales. That silver shimmer is actually a high-tech defense mechanism designed to scatter sunlight and blind any predators. It's a natural mirror shield that makes them nearly impossible to track. Would you explore the deep ocean or outer space? Comment your choice below. Smash subscribe to see what else is hiding under the perfect surface. Let's go!